Hello.
Hello, we're here now sa labas ng Kokochibanya.
Yes, Kokochibanya.
We just finished eating.
Yes.
This is our after meal review. Wala kaming mic ngayon, so I hope naririnig na kami ng maayos.
Yes.
I hope. So, Kokochibanya. We always eat there.
Oh.
Constant. It's a constant, yes. It's something that we always go back to.
Yes. Because it's
It's good. Plus, ang ginagawa namin is isang meal order lang and then we just upgrade the rice.
to 350 grams, 400
So,
grams.
it's like bigger in serving. Portion size. Portion size becomes bigger with the rice. Kasi marami naman yung curry sauce talaga. So, it's really something na sulit. Kasi you can order something cheap, like 290 pesos na egg lang
Oo.
with rice and curry na yon. So, madami na yun talaga, promise.
Kung budget ka.
Oo.
Pero gusto mo lang ng curry sauce. Parang paano naman?
Budgeted na. Oo. Kasi, may gulay din naman sila like like
Spinach.
spinach, may talong din, may okra din sila. And so of course, may chicken, pork, beef, ganyan. May salmon, if you want that, may hamburg. Basta marami silang option.
May shrimp. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fish.
So, this is one of the restaurants talaga na we would recommend, especially if you're not really
Ang Japanese.
a Japanese food person or hindi ka sanay na kumakain ng Japanese food.
Ng raw.
Oo. So, yan is it's definitely a very good alternative. Dito siya banda sa may Forbes Town. Lagpas lang ng Burgos Circle.
Yeah.
You can drop by here. Usually, hindi mo sila puno. Plus, hanggang medyo late sila, no? 11. 11-ish, ganyan. Tapos, if gusto yung mag-bar, maraming bar tong katabi. You can visit as well.
Restaurant.
Oo.
Ano siya, at saka hindi siya spicy. Well, it has options for
Oo,
spicy.
different level of spiciness.
I always
From
pick the mild because I
Zero.
Which is the mild.
Mild, pero zero talaga as in walang spiciness at all. Yung one kasi spicy na for me.
Standard.
Standard yun. For me, spicy enough na yun. Sa friend ko, hindi pa masyadong spicy yun. Pero sa akin, sobra na. So, sa mga mahilig sa spicy, pwede rin yan dito. Kasi,
Hanggang level 10.
yes. So, hindi pa namin nakikita ko ang itsura ng level 10, pero feeling ko magiging pula na siya. But they do have that. So, yung mga drinks din sila. Tapos masarap din yung ice cream nila for dessert. Sabi mo, ano yun?
Housemate.
House-made. Like yung from their own
Commissary.
commissary. Yes. Ganyan.
Hindi siya binili.
At saka, siya, napaka-creamy niya, pero hindi madaling matunaw. Sobrang sarap ng ice
Sa
cream
usual
nila.
na mga housemate na ice cream, slightly mabilis matunaw.
Sa kanila hindi. Tapos,
Hindi ganun katamis.
yes. Tapos they even have salads.
Oh.
May mga promo sila na 3 or 2 or 4 items, ganyan. So that's
Add on.
drink, salad, ice cream, and soup. Gusto niya rin yung soup dito.
Depende naman sa
Ano mga availability na, yes. But yes. So, ayun ang aming after meal review. Wala naman kami masyadong masabi kasi nga, we always eat here na. It's always good. We've never had anything na na-disappoint kami. We've
So,
tried
meron
lots na.
silang, since this is part of the
Mugen group.
Mugan Group, may mga specials sila like drinks.
Yes. Right
Dessert.
today, tinry namin yung chia aloe drink nila. Coolers. We had the honey dew. Sarap. Matamis, but it's good. It's not overly sweet. Yeah. Pero kayo nagre-reklamo ka na matamis yung...
Ewan ko, basta panlasa ko nga, slightly matamis yung curry
Curry.
sauce.
Usually matamis naman talaga yun.
Ganun eh.
Kasi ang Japanese curry is different than the Indian one. So those who don't know, medyo sweet siya talaga. On the sweet side siya. Kaya
Kasi
nagtataka ako,
may pear.
kaya nagtataka ako ba't ngayon, tamis na tamis siya. Well,
So, yeah.
That's it. So, ayun dun yung Kokoichiban niya. Right there. Sa tabi lang nito. Lumayo-layo lang kami para less ingay. But, that's it for after meal review. Tapos na kaming chubibog. Bye! Less than 5 minutes lang to,